So we are going to build a CSV file using an endpoint, and I'm going to template that in my editor using some content that I already have in a content model here. So here's my instance, and I have a data set here of some icons, just a list of 3 icons. The icon names are diamond, copy, and code, and then their title are just first item, item 2, item 3. So just kind of standard content here. And I want to make a CSV file that has these entries. So I'm going to make that in the editor, and I'm going to make a new endpoint. So I'm going to hit create endpoint, and then I'll give it a file name. So starting with slash, we'll say my-csv, and then the extension of .csv. And here's my blank template. So the first column is going to be the name, and we'll separate that with commas. And then the second column is going to be the title. Okay, so that will establish my first 2 columns, and then I'll go ahead and start my loop that will start creating the rows that would fall under these columns. So each, and it was the circle icons that we're looping through. Each circle icon has, I'll give it a variable name as CI, and then just go ahead and close that each loop there, or close that statement with a double braces. And I'm just following standard CSV formatting, so I'm going to go to the next line here and call the first column, which is going to be ci.icon, is what I'm calling the first name column. So icon, and then close that with double French braces, then another comma, and then the next one was a title. So ci.title right there. And there's no need for a comma at the end, since from here we'll skip on down to a new row. So I'll go ahead and close my each loop here. Oops, and each. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and then I want to view my endpoint. So I'll drag up this footer bucket here, and I'll be able to click into taking a look at this API endpoint. And what it does is it actually downloads a file. So I'll go ahead and view my download, open that, and here is my CSV. And that's all there is to making a custom CSV endpoint.